thinking about farm safety.
Farm safety?
So when puchde si ki is it safe or not to
Yeah,
live at the farm?
I was thinking like there's so many deadly reptiles here. Like snakes, monitor lizards, mongoose, which is not a reptile.
A fox.
Yep, fox, wild boars.
And don't you think that we must coexist together with all these creatures?
Yes, but the modern appliances and TVs have made us soft, so we can't adapt to the wild anymore.
We can adapt if we know how to live with them, how to coexist if we don't interfere in their place.
Well, people have forgot how to do that.
They have forgotten.
Yeah.
Some things are in your genes. You just need to reactivate them. Understand? So the survival instinct is in the
And
genetics.
Papa, I wanted to ask you,
Yes.
what's the difference between genes, genetics, and DNA?
DNA is like this, like these two strands. Do you see this strand like structure? So if we twist it, this is how like a ladder.
DNA?
Yeah, the DNA structure is like this. ठीक है? Like a ladder twisted. और ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਛੋਟੇ ribs ਹੈਗੇ. So the genes, they lie on those strands, and they decide different expressions, different like genes are there to represent everything. It's a code embedded in your.
Papa,
हाँ जी.
if we see a mongoose,
हाँ जी.
what do we call a female mongoose?
पता नहीं मैंने.
Mongoose.
Mongoose. ठीक है जी. I don't have that wide knowledge, but I love learning. When you grow up, you're gonna remember these days with Daddy. They will form the best part of your life. One of the best moments spent together. Because I'm not gonna be young again and you're not gonna be a kid again. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the part I love. It's a golden time with you.